The Stoic Shakedown is your source of ancient wisdom for modern life. Subscribe for weekly videos on Stoic history, theory, and application, and follow Stoic Shakedown on Instagram and Twitter. In this video, we delve further into the crisis of meaning in the modern world and how Stoic philosophy is uniquely suited to deal with it. In the fast-paced and technologically advanced modern world, many individuals find themselves grappling with a profound crisis of meaning. This crisis arises from a disconnect between ancient and modern worldviews, the consequences of the scientific revolution, and the decline of meaningful life rituals. Stoic philosophy offers valuable insights and practices to address this crisis, emphasizing the pursuit of virtue, rationality, and personal responsibility. By exploring the fundamental tenets of Stoicism and its relevance to the modern world, we can discover a path toward a more fulfilling and purposeful existence. Ancient versus modern worldviews. Ancient civilizations, such as those of Greece and Rome, sought to find meaning through a harmonious integration with nature and the pursuit of virtue. The Stoics, among others, believed that the ultimate purpose of life was to live in accordance with reason and to cultivate moral excellence. However, the modern world has witnessed a shift in worldview, with an increasing emphasis on materialism, individualism, and the pursuit of immediate gratification. This shift has resulted in a disconnection from nature, personal relationships, and ultimately, from our own inner selves. The dark side of the scientific revolution. The scientific revolution, while instrumental in advancing human knowledge and technological progress, has had unintended consequences for our sense of meaning and purpose. The relentless pursuit of scientific knowledge often emphasizes objectivity and rationality while disregarding the subjective and emotional dimensions of human experience. This reductionist approach has led to a fragmentation of knowledge, resulting in a loss of holistic understanding and the integration of different aspects of life. As a result, individuals often find themselves living in a world devoid of meaning and significance. The decline of meaningful life rituals. Meaningful life rituals have played a crucial role throughout history, providing individuals with a sense of belonging, purpose, and connection to something greater than themselves. However, in the modern world, these rituals have been gradually eroded or replaced by superficial substitutes. Traditional ceremonies, communal gatherings, and rites of passage have been overshadowed by the pursuit of material possessions, individual achievements, and a constant stream of distractions. This loss of meaningful rituals has left individuals feeling isolated, disconnected, and devoid of purpose. The Stoic solution. Stoic philosophy offers a powerful antidote to the crisis of meaning in the modern world. Stoicism teaches that true fulfillment lies not in external circumstances but in one's internal state of mind and the cultivation of virtue. The Stoics emphasize the pursuit of wisdom, justice, courage, and self-discipline as the foundations of a virtuous life. By shifting our focus from external events to our own thoughts and actions, we regain control over our lives and find meaning in the pursuit of personal excellence. Ancient Stoics such as Seneca, Epictetus, and Marcus Aurelius recognized the importance of living in accordance with reason and cultivating virtue. Seneca, in his work, On the Happy Life, wrote, "A good character when established is not easily overthrown by external circumstances." This highlights the Stoic belief that true happiness and meaning can be found within, independent of external circumstances. The crisis of meaning in the modern world calls for a constructive and practical approach, one that empowers individuals to create the meaning they crave. By embracing the wisdom of the Stoics and incorporating their teachings, we can navigate the complexities of the modern age and find meaning in our existence. Stoic philosophy offers a roadmap to a more fulfilling and purposeful life. By focusing on personal responsibility, rationality, and the pursuit of virtue, we can reclaim control over our thoughts, actions, and emotions. By cultivating resilience in the face of adversity and practicing gratitude for the present moment, we can transcend the shallow pursuits of materialism and instant gratification. It is through the application of these ancient principles that we begin to find meaning in our daily lives. By aligning our actions with our values, embracing challenges as opportunities for growth, and by nurturing our relationships with others, we discover a profound sense of purpose that transcends the superficial distractions of the modern world. In the words of Marcus Aurelius, a Stoic emperor and philosopher, very little is needed to make a happy life. It is all within yourself, in your way of thinking. By integrating Stoic wisdom into our lives, we learn to navigate the complexities of the modern world with resilience, grace, and a deep sense of purpose. Thanks for watching this video. Hit the subscribe button for weekly Stoic wisdom and follow Stoic Shakedown on Instagram and Twitter. See you next time.